Did you know that global trade losses due to fraud and inefficiency could be as high as $10 trillion annually? That's more than the entire GDP of Japan. Imagine if there was a way to cut through this chaos and bring unprecedented transparency and security to every transaction. Blockchain technology is not just another buzzword. It's the game changer that could streamline global trade, making it faster and safer for everyone involved. How would you feel about a world where contracts are self-executing and tamper-proof? This isn't science fiction. It's happening right now. Join me as we dive into how blockchain is reshaping the future of global commerce and why this matters to every business and consumer on the planet. Blockchain technology is revolutionizing supply chain management by providing real-time tracking and transparency. Companies like Walmart have implemented blockchain to track food products from farm to store, reducing the time needed to trace the origin of a product from days to seconds. This level of transparency not only helps in ensuring quality, but also in identifying and addressing any issues quickly. For instance, during a recall situation, being able to pinpoint exactly where and when an issue occurred can save lives and reduce economic losses. Consider Maersk's partnership with IBM on TradeLens, which uses blockchain for more secure and efficient global trade logistics. This kind of transparency can transform how businesses operate and interact, making supply chains not just more efficient, but also more trustworthy. As we delve deeper into the impact of AI in hiring, it's crucial to recognize how these technological advancements are reshaping business practices across all sectors. Blockchain technology brings a new level of security to hiring processes by preventing fraud and tampering. Its cryptographic measures ensure that once data is recorded on the blockchain, it cannot be altered or deleted. Consider how this works in real-world applications. Companies like Chronicled are already using blockchain for secure digital identities, reducing the risk of fake resumes. With blockchain, each piece of information is verified through a network of computers, making it nearly impossible to manipulate records without detection. In fact, a study by IBM found that 92% of organizations believe blockchain can help build trust and security in their systems. This robust security not only protects against fraudulent activities, but also enhances the integrity of hiring processes. As we move forward, let's explore how these enhanced security measures translate into practical benefits for both employers and job seekers. Blockchain technology is revolutionizing trade finance by introducing smart contracts that automate and streamline transactions. Consider how HSBC recently used blockchain to process a major trade deal for a shipment of soybeans from Argentina to Malaysia. The transaction was completed in just 4 days instead of the usual 10 to 15, showcasing significant time savings. Smart contracts on the blockchain can automatically execute terms when predetermined conditions are met, reducing manual intervention and minimizing errors. This not only accelerates processes, but also enhances security by ensuring all parties adhere to agreed-upon terms transparently. With such efficiency gains, it's clear why more companies are turning to blockchain for their trade finance needs. As we dive deeper into AI's role in hiring next, you'll see how similar principles of automation and transparency could reshape the recruitment landscape. Maersk and IBM have shown how smart contracts can revolutionize logistics through their blockchain collaboration. Take the TradeLens platform, for instance. It's a joint venture that has processed over 180 million shipping events by leveraging blockchain technology. This partnership demonstrates the power of AI and blockchain in streamlining supply chain management, reducing paperwork, and increasing transparency. Maersk reported that their pilot project alone led to a significant reduction in administrative costs, making operations more efficient and reliable. By automating contract execution with smart contracts, they've minimized human error and sped up processes. This innovative approach could set a new standard for the industry. As we explore further into how technology shapes hiring practices, It's clear that these advancements are just the beginning of what AI can achieve in business operations. Blockchain technology is revolutionizing how we handle routine tasks in hiring processes. Take the onboarding process, for instance. Blockchain can automate paperwork, reducing the time it takes to onboard new hires by up to 80%. This automation not only cuts down on administrative work, but also minimizes human error. Consider how companies like IBM are already leveraging blockchain to streamline their HR operations, making transactions faster and more secure. By integrating smart contracts into hiring processes, routine tasks such as verifying credentials or processing payroll can be completed almost instantly. This efficiency means that businesses can focus more on strategic initiatives rather than getting bogged down in paperwork. As we move forward, it's clear how blockchain is not just a buzzword, but a practical solution for transforming the way we hire and onboard employees. Blockchain technology is revolutionizing cross-border payments by making them faster and cheaper. Consider this. Traditional bank transfers can take several days and cost up to 7% of the transaction amount. In contrast, blockchain transactions often settle within minutes with fees as low as a fraction of a cent per dollar transferred. Take RippleNet, for instance. It uses blockchain technology to facilitate cross-border payments at an average processing time of just 3 seconds. This efficiency is transforming global commerce by enabling small businesses and individuals to engage in international trade without the hassle and expense of traditional banking systems. As we see these advancements, it's clear that the potential of blockchain extends far beyond cryptocurrencies, fundamentally reshaping how money moves around the world. Next, let's explore how AI can further streamline this process with intelligent payment routing. Ripple has been revolutionizing cross-border payments through its blockchain technology. By leveraging the XRP ledger, Ripple can facilitate transactions that are not only faster, but also significantly cheaper than traditional methods. Consider this. A transaction that might take days and cost hundreds of dollars through conventional banking systems can be completed in just seconds with Ripple, often at a fraction of the cost. For instance, one major bank using Ripple reported reducing their cross-border payment costs by 75%. This efficiency is transforming how businesses operate globally, making international transactions as seamless as domestic ones. As we see these advancements, it's clear that blockchain technology could soon become the backbone for global financial systems, streamlining operations and enhancing accessibility worldwide. Next up, let's explore how AI can further enhance this process by automating transaction verification and fraud detection. Blockchain technology is revolutionizing global trade by building unprecedented levels of trust through transparency and accountability. Consider how Walmart uses blockchain to track its food supply chain, ensuring that every piece of produce can be traced back to its origin within seconds. This not only enhances consumer confidence, but also helps in quickly identifying and addressing any contamination issues. In fact, a study by Deloitte found that 53% of companies surveyed are already using or plan to use blockchain for supply chain management. By providing an immutable record of transactions, blockchain ensures every step is transparent and verifiable, reducing the risk of fraud and increasing trust among all parties involved. As we delve deeper into how AI can transform hiring practices, it's crucial to recognize that these technologies work in tandem to create a more secure and efficient global marketplace. Blockchain technology is revolutionizing industries far beyond finance. In fashion, it's enhancing transparency and sustainability by creating an immutable record of a garment's journey from raw materials to retail shelves. Take Everledger, for instance. They use blockchain to track luxury goods like diamonds and now high-end garments, ensuring authenticity and ethical sourcing. A study found that 85% of consumers are willing to pay more for sustainable fashion products. Blockchain can help brands meet this demand by providing proof of sustainability claims through traceable data. This not only builds consumer trust, but also drives the industry towards more responsible practices. As we see these changes, it's clear how blockchain is setting a new standard in fashion's supply chain transparency and sustainability. Next, let's explore how AI is transforming hiring processes in unexpected ways. Provenance is harnessing blockchain technology to revolutionize transparency in the fashion industry. By tracking products from raw materials through every stage of production, Provenance ensures consumers can verify a product's entire journey. For instance, they partnered with Eileen Fisher to trace the origins of tencel fabric used in their clothing lines. This not only verifies sustainability claims, but also combats counterfeiting and unethical practices. The blockchain provides an immutable ledger that cannot be altered once recorded, ensuring trust and accountability at every step. Consider how this technology could similarly transform hiring processes by verifying candidate credentials and work history transparently. As we explore further, the potential for AI to integrate with such systems becomes even more compelling. Blockchain technology is revolutionizing how companies comply with global trade regulations. By providing an immutable audit trail, blockchain ensures every transaction is transparent and verifiable. Consider Maersk's collaboration with IBM on TradeLens, a platform that uses blockchain to track shipping containers. This system has streamlined customs clearance in many countries by reducing paperwork and speeding up verification processes. In fact, the platform has already processed over 180 million shipping events, showcasing its effectiveness at scale. Looking ahead, this transparency could dramatically reduce compliance costs for businesses navigating complex international trade rules, making it easier to comply with regulations while maintaining efficiency. As more companies adopt blockchain solutions, we'll likely see even greater improvements in global trade logistics and regulatory compliance. Blockchain technology is revolutionizing food safety by ensuring every step of a product's journey can be traced. Consider Walmart's partnership with IBM. They use blockchain to track mangoes from farm to store in just 2.2 seconds, compared to the previous method, which took almost 7 days. This speed and precision are crucial for compliance with strict regulations like those set by the FDA. By logging each transaction on an immutable ledger, companies can quickly identify the source of contamination during outbreaks. For instance, during a recent E. coli outbreak, blockchain could have pinpointed the exact batch affected within minutes instead of weeks. This not only saves lives, but also minimizes economic losses for businesses. With such efficiency in tracking and compliance, it's clear that blockchain is a game changer in food safety regulations. Next, let's explore how AI can further enhance these systems by automating compliance checks and predictive analytics. Blockchain technology is revolutionizing how EU member states ensure food safety compliance. By creating an immutable and transparent ledger of transactions, blockchain can track every step in the supply chain from farm to table. This ensures that all parties adhere strictly to regulations set by the European Food Safety Authority, EFSA. For instance, Walmart implemented a blockchain system for its leafy greens, drastically reducing traceability times from days to seconds. In the EU, this could mean quicker identification and containment of foodborne illness outbreaks. According to IBM, their blockchain solutions have already helped reduce fraud and improve transparency in global supply chains. As we move forward, integrating blockchain into food safety systems will not only enhance compliance, but also build consumer trust through increased transparency. Next up, let's explore how AI can further optimize these processes by automating compliance checks. Blockchain technology is set to revolutionize global trade by enhancing transparency, security, and efficiency. Consider how Walmart implemented blockchain for food safety, reducing traceability time from days to seconds. This kind of speed and precision can transform supply chains worldwide. According to a report by Deloitte, 53% of companies see blockchain as essential to their future strategy. By creating an immutable ledger, blockchain ensures every transaction is recorded and verified, minimizing fraud and disputes. Look at Maersk's partnership with IBM. They've streamlined shipping processes, saving millions in costs. This technology not only secures transactions, but also builds trust among trading partners across borders. As we see these improvements in trade, it's clear that the future of global commerce is increasingly intertwined with blockchain. With this kind of transformation happening in trade, it's easy to see how other sectors could benefit from similar technological advancements. Blockchain technology is revolutionizing supply chains by providing real-time tracking of goods from origin to destination. This transparency reduces fraud and enhances efficiency significantly. Consider Walmart's partnership with IBM. They implemented blockchain for food safety, cutting down the time needed to trace the origin of a product from days to just seconds. Another example is Maersk, which uses blockchain to streamline shipping processes, reducing paperwork and increasing trust among partners. With these advancements, companies can now ensure that every step in their supply chain is secure and transparent. As we move forward, this technology will not only enhance the reliability of supply chains, but also pave the way for more sustainable practices. Next up, let's explore how AI and blockchain together could reshape industries beyond just hiring. The potential impact of blockchain on global trade is truly transformative. By creating a more transparent and secure ecosystem, it could streamline transactions and reduce fraud. Consider how Maersk, the world's largest container shipping company, has partnered with IBM to create TradeLens, a blockchain platform that has already processed over 180 million shipping events. This collaboration not only enhances traceability, but also cuts down on paperwork and delays. With blockchain, the global trade landscape could see a dramatic reduction in transaction costs and time. As we look ahead, the integration of AI with blockchain will likely further revolutionize hiring practices by ensuring more secure and transparent candidate verification processes. Together, these technologies are poised to reshape how businesses operate on a global scale. Blockchain technology is revolutionizing global trade by enhancing transparency and security. Consider how Maersk, one of the world's largest shipping companies, partnered with IBM to create TradeLens, a blockchain platform that has streamlined supply chain operations for over 150 organizations worldwide. This not only reduces paperwork, but also cuts down on delays and fraud. In fact, it's estimated that implementing blockchain in global trade could reduce document-related costs by up to $16 billion annually. As we wrap up this discussion on AI's potential in hiring, remember that similar transformative changes are happening across industries. Blockchain is just one piece of the puzzle, but its impact is profound and far-reaching. Keep exploring these technologies. They're shaping our future in ways we can barely imagine today.